Hi, welcome to MasterCadx YouTube channel. Hi, welcome to MasterCadx. Today the first exercise, flange coupling assembly. So before start the flange coupling assembly, we'll start at what is the meaning of the flange coupling. We'll start a introduction part. So what is the meaning of flange coupling? The definition is the flange coupling is a driving coupling between the rotating shaft that consists of flange, one of which fixed at the end of each shaft, the two flanges being bolted together with a ring of bolts to complete the drive. So I can explain that in a pictorial view. So here is a diagram of the flange coupling. So this is a flange. This is a two flange you can see over here. So this is a 3D diagram and this is the actual diagram. This is two flange will be connected and another end there is a shaft will be connected over here. The shaft and flange will be rigid by help of this key. Now in the diagram only this part will be given, flange and nut and bolt. Okay, so now what are the parts are in the flange coupling? The main part is the flange, and you can see here this is the color. Okay, this two color is indicated the flange, bolt. Okay, the bolt and nut. So these are the parts, and this diagram is given for here for the additional part over here, where it is a here is a driven shaft and the driving shaft will be connected. So now bill of material, or also called it is BOM. So this is a very important part. Here is a student will be confused the number of parts and total number of parts. What is the number of parts means? For example, if you go for the flange assembly, here is the number of parts are 3. Okay, there is a flange, bolt and nut. So total is 3 is the number of parts. But if you go for discuss the total number of parts, for example, if you go for the diagram, okay, so this is a diagram. Here is the two flanges are there, two six number of bolts are there, and six number of nuts are there. So that is given in terms of quantity. So flange is 2, quantity is 2, bolt is 6, and nut is 6. So using this one, it's a complete is a assembly we can make it over here. Depending on that, what is the material? Okay, so material is, for example, flange is used of cast iron, bolt is used of mild steel or MS, and nut also is a mild steel or MS. It depending on the manufacturer, how can it doesn't mean that they're using the same material. Some manufacturer are using the different material depending on the cost will be changes. Okay, usually we are using the flange is a cast iron and bolt and nut you are using mild steel. Now whenever you're going to purchase, so there is a now it is a additional another column it will come, it is a rate per unit and total cost. So this is your tell that now this is will be tell that so what is the total assembly cost. Okay, so for example flange is the per unit cost is 100 rupees. Now total rate will become 200. Bolt is per unit, okay, 20 rupees. Then for 6 is it become it is 120, and nut is 10 rupees, it is 60. So totally it will come over. So what is the meaning? Only that is a manufacture cost. After that is only it is become material cost, not a manufacture cost. After that manufacture is the additional cost like transportations etc. It will be cost, and it will be a cost of the product. Okay, so bill of material only the what is the material cost of the your assembly. So this is the called is a bill of material. Next is the application. What is the real application and use area? The first is to transmit the power from delivered shaft to driven shaft. Okay, so now here I can explain over here. So from the driving shaft to the driven shaft. Okay, so there is an applications to introduce the protection against the overloads. Now what happen? For example, the driving shaft it will be running at the speed of 200 rpm, and driven shaft is suddenly it will drop to the 100 rpm. So to overload this one, this type of flange coupling are using. Next, to connect the two couple Next, to connect or couple the two components which are manufactured separately. Example: output motor shaft and generator. So similarly, I explained this first one. And to reduce the transmission of shaft loads from one shaft to another by using like flexible coupling. So which is I explained earlier. For example, one shaft is rotated is a higher RPM and another shaft is rotated low RPM. That time what shafts will be occur over. So please reduce this one. The flange coupling are used. So you can see this. There is a one diagram. This is a motor and another one it is a output. Okay, this is input and another one is a output, which is a motor and generator. So where we can see which is connected between it is a flange coupling. So these all are in the introduction part of the flange coupling assembly. So next video I'm going to explain how to draw the parts of each one, for example flange, nut and bolt. Okay, so please subscribe my video